Hello everyone, I'm Michelle Sutton and welcome to North Oaks News. I'm proud to share that North Oaks has been designated a Purple Heart Hospital, the first hospital in Louisiana to receive this distinction. This recognition reflects our deep commitment to honoring and supporting our veterans, military families, and the Purple Heart recipients throughout our community. Recently, we celebrated this milestone alongside veterans, community leaders, military families, and members of the North Oaks team. It was a meaningful reminder of the sacrifices made by those who served our country and the importance of caring for them close to home. To our veterans and military families, we thank you for your service, your sacrifice, and your continued inspiration. At North Oaks Health, we remain committed to improving lives every time, every touch.